morning. History and Miss Morgan are in the house. Thank you to Maddie M., who I taught in 2016-17 with that video opening line idea. I've asked my students for different ways I could start and end videos, and I've typed them up and I have a list of them, and that's the one that I chose for today. So today I'm trying a new and different type of video, and it's going to be an teacher unboxing video. So it's really more unpackaging, but same idea, right? I'm going to open the package of cool teacher stuff that I bought and show you what's inside. So I love to get new things, especially when it's like February, March, and I need some new inspiration to make it through the school year. So that's what I did. I bought some new stickers, and I think there might be postcards in here, but I actually kind of forget. So it'll be interesting to all of us. So I'm going to open up this package. It is from Trend Enterprises. They have a lot of cool stickers, and a lot of their stuff is more for probably elementary school teachers, but stickers are good at any age, in my opinion. So that's what I got. So I think it is all stickers because I bought postcards, I think, from somewhere else. That will be my second unboxing video. So let me see what's inside. Open it up. Okay, we have new products. It's always good to see, but let's get really to the good stuff, the stickers I bought. So I have some llama stickers. They're a little young looking. Maybe I didn't realize they would be so young looking, but some 8th graders might like those stickers. I don't know. Ooh, donuts and sparkly donuts. Ooh, who doesn't love a donut? Yum. Ooh, stinky stickers. I have some Day of the Dead type skull stickers that smell like vanilla. Ooh. More sparkly gnomes. All right, gnomes I think are kind of random, so that's what appealed to me about the gnome stickers. More smelly stickers, friendly fruit. So hopefully those smell good. Popcorn. I don't usually love the smell of popcorn stickers, but these are good generic ones that I think I can give to the 8th graders. And, it's good. The scratch and sniff novelty is always nice. Ooh, leather cars. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to like the leather smell, but we'll have to see. And I got these, I think, because some of my stickers I feel like are kind of girly. And so this might be good for the boys. I think the girls will like them too. But as my cars, caramel stars. Those look good. Smelly stars, caramel, bubblegum stickers. Everyone usually likes the bubblegum smell. All right, getting down to the last two. Chocolate. Some good generic happy words for that smell like chocolate. And lastly, wow, I don't even remember buying these, but they look kind of funny. Dirt smell and kind of some zombie fruit. Yep, zombie fruit. That's what it's called. So those are the stickers that I got. I should be well stocked for a while. Probably went a little overboard, but they will last a while, I hope. So I hope you enjoyed my first unboxing video. There will be more to come because this is random and fun. And I'm just going to close with a suggestion from Ellie from 2016-17. She says there is never too much glitter, and I agree. You probably can't tell my glitter eyeliner's on, but Ellie, I'm right there with you. Okay, bye.